Here we go. Man, look how quick that was. Wow. Yeah. 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 Look at that. Wow. Roadside fishing adventures. Look at that. I knew I'd catch you. A nice little peacock, I guess. Starting to learn the fish. All right. Woohoo! Yeah. Look at that. I'd like to give a shout out to all my subscribers who stuck with me and are still with me. I know haven't been here for a while, but that's because I've been fishing. I don't want to show you guys video of with nothing being caught. Okay, here we go. Put them back. Roadside fishing adventures back again. Yeah. Fudge. Okay. Yeah, come on, come on. Yeah. What? Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, you got my other hook on you now, don't you? Roadside fishing adventures. Woohoo, look at that. Wow. Today's the day for peacocks. Ah, no, because last time you went in. Let me get my magic glove. Look at that, everybody. Isn't that awesome? Oh, did you take my hook? Roadside fishing adventures. Subscribe, subscribe, comment, leave a like, or hit the like button. Comment. Look at that. Wow. That looks, fudge. Okay, all right. Okay, here we go. Let's take one picture. Dirty fish. Okay, everybody. Like I said, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for being there. I really do appreciate it. Okay. Yeah. Ow. Look at that. One more for the road. Okay, everybody. I'd like to say thank you to all my subscribers again. I know I haven't been posting videos lately, but thank you for the ones that comment. I really, really do appreciate it. I know I haven't been getting that many views, but thank you for sticking with me. And it means a lot. And thank you so much for everything. It actually looks like this guy's been hooked before. I don't know if you can see. He has like a hole right there, so we're gonna hurry up and put him back. But thank you for everyone for subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and to also leave a like and comment on this video. And remember to find your own spot and to clean up after yourself. Later. All right. Just like everything else, all bait must go back. Keep the trash. I don't even know if they're alive or not, but all bait must go back. Here we go. Roadside fishing adventures again, making the comeback slowly.